In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix sound not working on WhatsApp PC. So if the sound is not working on WhatsApp PC, there might be various reasons behind it. So in order to fix it, first of all, open the WhatsApp. You can see over here I've opened it. Now at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the U icon. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down, find this option for video and voice and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is click on the option speakers. Now make sure the correct speaker is selected over here. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply open the settings of your device. For that, click on the start icon. After you do that, hover over the gear icon and click on this option settings. Now after that, you can see over here the settings will be opened. What you have to do is simply find this option for system and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option sound that you can see on the screen. Make sure to select the option for sound. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for choose your output device. Simply click on this field. Now after you do that, make sure to select the correct output device. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, try checking the volume. For that, simply click on the volume icon that you can see on the taskbar. Make sure it is not muted. Also make sure any Bluetooth device is not connected to your PC or laptop. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If the problem still persists, what you can do is simply close the WhatsApp. Now after you do that, restart the WhatsApp. Click on this red icon and search for WhatsApp. Now open it. Now after the WhatsApp is restarted, your problem should be solved. If the problem is still not fixed, your output device might have some problem. So in that case, what you have to do is consult the technician and your problem will be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix sound not working on WhatsApp PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.